The WordPress code block makes it easy to display code snippets. To add the code block to your pages and posts, click the plus icon, type code, and select the block. If you prefer, you can type /code in the area where you want the block to appear and press the enter key. In this block, you can add any type of code you want to display. The code is automatically marked with code tags, so it displays properly as code. This helps in providing examples for readers to learn from or use in their own projects. Click anywhere in the block to see its toolbar. This first icon lets you change the block to a custom HTML block, pre-formatted block, changes the columns, and lets you create a group so that you can adjust the background color, choose borders, and adjust other options. Hovering over them gives you a preview of how each would look. The drag tool includes 6 dots. Grab these dots to drag the block anywhere you want. When you drop it, the block will be placed in its new location. The up and down move arrows move the block up or down one block. The bold and italic settings apply to the code you've highlighted, and you can use them together or individually. The link lets you make any of the code a clickable link. The more button allows you to do inline code, inline image, keyboard input, strike through, subscript, superscript, and text color. And then finally, the 3 dots opens up the ability to copy, duplicate, insert before, insert after, move to, edit as HTML, add to reusable blocks, group, and remove block. If you press the settings icon up here at the top right of the page, more settings will be available. They include typography and advanced settings. Of course, with our typography, we can do the font size, and advanced allows us to do an HTML anchor and additional CSS classes. That's all you need to know though about the WordPress code block. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.